Scene script. Have you ever wondered how our lives would change if machines could think and learn like us? Imagine a world where your gadgets don't just perform tasks, but also learn, adapt, and evolve. This is the dawn of artificial intelligence, or AI. Born from the marriage of computer science and cognitive psychology, AI is a testament to human ingenuity. It's not just about creating smart machines, it's about amplifying human capabilities. AI's learning and adaptability have transformed it from a concept of science fiction into a reality that is all around us. Picture your smartphone, your car, your home appliances. These everyday items are becoming smarter, more intuitive and more personalized thanks to AI. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI extends far beyond our daily lives, promising to revolutionize fields from healthcare to entertainment, business, and beyond. AI is not just a futuristic concept anymore. It's a reality that's shaping our lives in ways we never imagined. Consider the healthcare industry, a sector where AI is making significant strides. Imagine a world where a simple scan can predict your health trajectory years into the future. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality AI is creating. One notable case study is the use of AI in diagnosing diseases. Machine learning algorithms sift through medical records, identify patterns, and can even pinpoint diseases earlier than traditional methods. AI also plays a pivotal role in predicting patient outcomes. By analyzing vast quantities of data, AI can foresee potential health risks, enabling preventative measures to be taken. But it doesn't stop there. AI is personalizing treatment plans too. It's tailoring therapies based on individual genetics and lifestyle, making healthcare truly personal for the first time. The outcome? Improved patient care and better health outcomes. AI is transforming healthcare, making it more accurate, more proactive, and incredibly personalized. In healthcare, AI is not just improving efficiency, it's saving lives. Let's shift gears and look at the entertainment industry, another sector that has embraced AI. In the realm of entertainment, artificial intelligence is indeed changing the game. From music to movies, AI is playing a pivotal role in content creation. Take the case of Next Rembrandt, a project that used machine learning to create a new artwork in the style of the Dutch master. This demonstrates the creative potential of AI. Furthermore, AI is enhancing our entertainment experience by personalizing content recommendations. Ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what you'd like to watch next? That's artificial intelligence at work, analyzing your viewing patterns and preferences to suggest content you're likely to enjoy. From creating artworks that mirror the style of famed painters to tailoring our movie night selections, AI is indeed revolutionizing the entertainment industry. In the world of entertainment, AI is transforming the way we create and consume content. In the business world, AI is a game changer. Picture this: a global logistics company struggling with inefficiencies in its supply chain turns to artificial intelligence. Suddenly, AI-powered algorithms are optimizing routes, predicting disruptions, and streamlining operations. The result? Improved efficiency, reduced costs, and a substantial boost in profitability. Let's not forget about customer service. AI-driven chatbots are revolutionizing this arena with their ability to handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously. They're there round the clock, providing timely and consistent responses, freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues. In the realm of data analysis, AI is a powerhouse. It sifts through vast data oceans, spotting trends, patterns, and anomalies that would take humans an eternity to uncover. This is decision-making supercharged, enabling businesses to forecast with greater accuracy, optimize strategies, and stay ahead of the curve. In business, AI is not just a tool for success, it's a key driver of innovation and growth. From healthcare to entertainment to business, AI is revolutionizing everything we thought we knew. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer, a paradigm shifter. It's rewriting the rules of engagement across industries, making us rethink our approach to problem-solving and innovation. In healthcare, AI is streamlining diagnostics and treatment plans. In entertainment, it's personalizing our experiences, and in business, it's driving efficiency and productivity. But the AI revolution doesn't stop here. Its potential is boundless, poised to transform other sectors like education, agriculture, and climate science. It's not a question of if, but when. To stay relevant and competitive, embracing AI isn't an option, it's a necessity. As we stand on the brink of the AI revolution, one thing is clear. AI is not just changing the way we live, work, and play, it's redefining what's possible.